Greetings! Thank you for your interest in this online course for you to download, practice, and acquire the distinctive, genuine North American phonologic blueprint for accent upgrade to your English enterprise. I am Dr. Errol G. This specific course delivers optimal long-term results and upgrades through a dedicated systematic collection, cultivation, and coverage of accent asset files for a portfolio that will distinguish and explore your English audio blueprint. The file that really stands out and that should catch your attention is Omniphrase Study Guide. You will find Omniphrase Study Guide when you acquire and download the course from the website. You will see the first slide here. Each slide has several examples about the qualities for specific accent topics. For instance, this first slide here is about the blueprint of the vowel. All these slides in this guide exhibit identical logistic and media, a clickable audio file, and an aerodynamic wave diagram. This lends insight into both audio and visual qualities for dynamic feedback and fulfillment of learning to acquire accent assets. Let's observe this example. Amen. Next, you can use the Audacity screenshot tool to take a picture of this file, then navigate back to the Omniphrase Study Guide, and see, here is already a picture of Amigo. Let's import an additional picture to compare and contrast. Here we have an image of Amen, and you can use this to compare contrast. See the geometry and the shape of the initial vowel is very similar. You see that distinctive dilation, swelling, or Dopplerization, that you have an octave shift from a low to a high sound. That is a distinctive trait and feature of the North American phonologic blueprint to really dilate and shift the vowels from a low note to a higher note while your voice rises. And practice this by cultivating increasingly more accent assets that you can put into a portfolio, and you can compare and contrast to all of these examples in this Omniphrase Study Guide. This will enable you to really take control of your English learning enterprise. You can use your existing skill set and talents to then unlock your full potential to communicate and impress in various scenarios.